Hello my beautiful people, how is everyone doing? Hope you guys are doing so great. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making this delicious sardine bread. Sardine bread, your kids will love it, you love it, even your guests will love it. So on the table I have what I'll be using for my sardine bread. I have my flour, sardine, egg, milk, nutmeg, salt, sugar, yeast, onions, pepper, mayonnaise and butter. That's what we are going to be making this sardine bread with. So first of all, I'll just add in my warm milk in my bowl. This is 1 cup of milk in the bowl. Then I'll add my active yeast in there. I'm using 1 spoon. And I'll be adding the sugar. Then I'll add in my salt. I'll leave the description in the comment section so you see what I am doing. So I'll just stir everything together like this. So this is what we have here. This is how it looks like. We'll be using just 2 cups of flour. So I have my flour here. I already sieved it for any particles. You have to level it. So this is 1. And then this is 2. And I'll take some of the oil from the sardine and add into this mixture. And I'll also take some butter, like 1 teaspoon of butter, and add it into this mixture. I have to take out the spatula, then make my hands dirty now. So I have to wash my hands very well. So I've washed my hands and now I use my hand to rub it in. You have to rub in very well until it forms a dough. See what we have here? I'll keep on kneading until it doesn't stick to my hands again. I'll be adding some flour in my palm so it won't stick. So guys, this is what we have. You just keep on kneading until it stops sticking to the bowl and on your hand. So after kneading like this, I'll just take in some butter, rub in the bowl and leave it there to rest for like 1 hour so it can double its size. So guys, this is what we have here. I'll just cover it with my kitchen towel and leave it to rise for 1 hour or less. So I'll just cover it like this. Then I'll now prepare the sardine. This is the sardine we are going to be using. I'm using just 1 tin of sardine. So in my sardine, I'll be adding some pepper. I have scotch bonnet pepper, the yellow and the red one. And I have my chopped onions. Then I have my mayonnaise. I'm using 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise to mix in everything. So while the dough is doubling its size, I will now prepare the sardine we are going to use. So I'm just going to mash the sardine like this. Do not mash too much so you still have some chunk of fish intact. Then you now add the onions. I'll be adding the onions. I'm not adding salt because sardine itself had salt already. Then I'll be adding my chopped in pepper. Then I'll be adding some mayonnaise. Guys, try this and you thank me later. You can get sardine in any big shop, and sardine is mainly fish that is seasoned and put in a container with some oil. It's so yummy, and it's good to prepare different meals. So this is what we have here now. So I'll just leave it to rest too while I wait for my dough to rise. Then also I can also prepare the pan I'm going to be using. So we are going to be using this pan. So I'll just use my butter and my brush to rub it in some butter. Then I'll add some flour to it. This is done so when you put in your dough here, when the bread is baked, it comes out easily. So I've rubbed in the butter like this. Then I'll now take some flour to dust so it comes out so clean. So this is how it looks like inside. So guys, I'll see you. So guys, this is after 1 hour. This is what we have. I have to punch it to take out the air. So I'll bring it out from the bowl, put on the work surface, and then I'll knead more. I'll knead more again to take out all the air. And if you want a soft and succulent bread, you just have to do this. So what I'll do now, I'll cut into shape and then put into the pan. Which ones are small? Can I add some? You have to make them a bit equal. If you have a scale, you can use your scale to measure. So just keep them aside, and I'll cover it so it doesn't get dried. Let me get my pan. So this is the sardine. Added some pepper, onions, and mayonnaise in here. So I'll take one of the cut dough and then I'll now roll it out. Roll it out very well. Then you take part of the sardine, add it like this, then carry all the sides and pinch it. Pinch it very well. You have to pinch it, lock it at the bottom. See what I've done? You pinch it and lock it at the bottom. Then use your hand to roll it very well so it doesn't come out, so the content doesn't spill out. Then when this is done, you add it into the pan. You have to do it like this until you are done. So I'm cracking my egg as the egg wash and now rub on top of bread so it will be so shiny. So I'll cover it for 1 hour again to rise more. So guys, after 1 hour keeping this dough, this is what we have here. So what I'll do now is to rub my egg wash and then boom, I take it in the oven. The oven is already on preheating. So this is our egg wash sardine bread. Try it and you will not want to buy bread again. This egg wash is to enable you to shine when it is baked. So guys, I'm taking it into the oven now. Please, if you have watched up to this moment, please just hit that subscribe button. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, and give the video a thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload any video. So this is done now, so I'm taking it to the oven. This will bake for like 20 minutes. So guys, this is our sardine bread after 20 minutes in the oven. But the game changer of this bread is what I'm going to do now. So I have little sardine oil remaining, and I added some butter, and I'll be adding some parsley leaf. Then I'll rub it on top. So that is the change in this our sardine bread. The face is looking so yummy. But it just melt. Wow, see how it's melting on top. So you have the feel of the sardine. If you try this, I don't think you ever want to buy bread in the store again. Wow, it looks so yummy. So what I'll do, it's still very hot. Ooh, wow, still hot. I wanted to see if I can put them in a plate like this, but it is still hot. The pan is a bit deep, so you are not really seeing the inside, so I want to bring it out. Wow, what is happening? This one is refusing to come out. It's like the pan was not well buttered there. Yeah. So guys, this is our sardine bread. Try yours and tell me what. So guys, this is our sardine bread. Try yours and let me know what you think in the comment section. Just take one and open, and you can see the inside. Wow, this is our sardine bread. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.